Conjuring Clarity. Fixing run-on sentences with conjunctive adverbs. Hello, learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deeper into an essential part of sentence structure: run-on sentences. But we're not just identifying them. We're going to learn how to correct them, specifically using conjunctive adverbs. So, buckle up and get ready to turn those run-on sentences into clear, concise, and correct statements. Before we jump into correcting run-on sentences, let's take a moment to understand what they are. A run-on sentence occurs when two or more independent clauses, sentences that could stand alone, are connected improperly. These sentences can often seem lengthy, confusing, or improperly punctuated. For example, I love reading books, I learn so much from them. This sentence is a run-on sentence because it contains two independent clauses, I love reading books, and I learn so much from them, that are incorrectly joined. Now that we know what run-on sentences are, let's understand what conjunctive adverbs are. Conjunctive adverbs are words used to connect two independent clauses. They not only join the clauses but also provide a transition that shows the relationship between the ideas in the clauses. Common examples of conjunctive adverbs include however, therefore, consequently, meanwhile, otherwise, and thus. These words can express different relations like contrast, cause, consequence, and time. So, how can conjunctive adverbs help correct run-on sentences? It's simple. You can use a semicolon, winking face, the conjunctive adverb, and a comma to split the run-on sentence into two independent clauses. Here's how. I love reading books. Consequently, I learn so much from them. In this corrected sentence, we use the conjunctive adverb, consequently, to show the cause-effect relationship between the two independent clauses. We also used a semicolon before and a comma after the conjunctive adverb to properly structure the sentence. Well, that wraps up our lesson on correcting run-on sentences using conjunctive adverbs. We've learned how to spot those pesky run-on sentences and use conjunctive adverbs to turn them into clear, easy-to-understand sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, why not take a few minutes to find some run-on sentences and try correcting them with different conjunctive adverbs? Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning.